So now talking about the IELTS writing assessment criteria. So guys, whether it is part 1 or it is part 2 or IELTS academic writing, please be sure that the assessment criteria are standard. So there are 4 assessment criteria. First, task achievement. Stick to the task given. Whatever question is being asked to you, do not try to incorporate your opinion every time into the question. Understand the question after reading and paraphrase it correctly, and only put in your opinion if it is asked. Otherwise, this will be leading to the deviation from the task given. Second, coherence and cohesion. So coherence and cohesion stands for the clarity of idea and thoughts. So you should write and implement the exact thought which is being generated in your mind while displaying the same in the writing. It should be identical. There should not be any gap. Third, lexical resourcing. Most of the time, these lexicals are misinterpreted. By understanding it, that IELTS can be cracked well if we are using the most complex or the compound vocabularies. However, lexical means simply to stick with the topical vocabulary. Fourth one, grammatical range and accuracy. To have more detailed information on grammatical range, we have already have a video uploaded on our YouTube channel. So grammatical range and accuracy can be referred to the same. However, they are using the grammar at the right time and giving the right information to your reader.